Hey guys, in today's video you'll be checking out some of the best corded oscillating tools available in the market. We have combined them according to their quality, capacity, price, user satisfaction and ease of use. You can find out more info about them in the description box below. Make sure to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon below to be the first to know about any new videos. Ranking at number 7 we have DEWALT Corded Oscillating Tool. This oscillating multi-tool kit has a powerful 3-amp motor with a dual grip variable speed trigger to help you match speed to your application. This kit includes 29 popular cutting and sanding attachments to help complete a variety of projects. The quick change accessory system allows you to change blades quickly and easily. And with the universal accessory adapter it's compatible with most oscillating tool accessories. The DEWALT Oscillating Tool Guide system allows you to customize the depth or height for accurate repeatability. And the bright LED light illuminates dark workspaces. At number 6 we have PORTER Oscillating Tool. This 3-amp motor delivers power to complete applications fast. This tool-free system blade change allows quick changes and adjustments for specific applications without wrenches and bolts. This depth and cutting guide helps complete plunge and cutting tasks faster and with more control. The 10-foot cord minimizes the need for extension cords. Also includes 52 accessories to provide all the essential components for your various projects. At number 5 we have Dremel Oscillating Tool. The Dremel MM50 has a robust design that provides low vibration operation, giving you better control for precise and clean cuts. It comes with a compact head that is 30% smaller than other tools in its class. The MM50 allows you to get into tight, hard-to-reach spaces that others won't fit. Exclusive angled body design delivers a much improved experience, especially during flush cuts. This toolless blade change system allows you to change accessories by simply twisting the knob. You can pushing it down and inserting accessory. At number 4 we have Rockwell Oscillating Tool. The F50 features 5 degrees of oscillation for unrivaled fast cutting from a powerful 4.0 amp motor. Constant speed won't stall under heavy loads. This hyperlock tool-free blade change system provides 1 ton of clamping force that prevents slipping during use no matter the blade angle. This low vibration counterweight offsets vibration for a smoother cut. This universal fit system accepts all major brands of blades, sanders and other accessories. At number 3 we have Lomvum Oscillating Tool. It has 6-level variable speed from 15,000 to 23,000 RPM. It has low speed for cleaning and polishing, high speed for cutting, sanding and grinding. This oscillating tool has powerful 3A motor, 6-level variable speed. That's provide 15,000 to 23,000 oscillations min, enables user to match the speed to different applications. It has 3 degrees oscillation angle for fast cutting and removal lock-on button for automatically constant working. At number 2 we have WESCO Oscillating Tool. You can choose appropriate speed from 11,000 to 22,000 OPM to meet different demands. It has low vibration and less noise. It delivers 3.2 degree of oscillation for great performance to handle more tasks. You can flip the tool-free blade change lever forward to select the right accessory for the job without a wrench, saving time and strength. This light front the tool provides better visibility, suitable for working in furniture joints, banisters, stairs and room corners. At number 1 we have Dremel Oscillating Tool. This has 3.5 Ah motor, easily tackles the toughest applications. It has soft grip for comfort and control. This kit includes 29 popular cutting and sanding attachments to help complete a variety of projects. The quick change accessory system allows you to change blades quickly and easily. And with the universal accessory adapter. The DEWALT Oscillating Tool Guide system allows you to customize the depth or height for accurate repeatability. And the bright LED light illuminates dark workspaces. Now it's your turn. Let us know in the comment box below as this video helps you to find the best corded oscillating tools for your need.